Greetings. It is currently already January 2021, and I have been cleaning out my videos, and I came across some video that I shot on Thanksgiving about putting a charcuterie tray together. So I am now editing that and realize there's no intro, so here it is, and let's roll it.
I just got pixie-fied. Pixie dusted. All right, I'm about to try one of these Dragon Balls. Oh, look at this. She is
Hello, everyone, and happy Thanksgiving. I thought I would hop on real quick to show you a very fast and easy charcuterie tray with items all from Publix. You can do it with any grocery store. I went yesterday, right at the very end of the day, so there weren't as many people, and I want to show you what I bought and then how I put the charcuterie tray together. And it's not a huge one this time, and I'm actually using some extra things. So first, let me show you what I bought. It was a package by Publix of 3 different meats. It's got capicola, prosciutto, and salami. And so I bought that. I also bought some pretzel dipping sticks. It was buy one, get one at Borzen's, so I bought the basil and chive one. I also bought the cranberry and spice one. Publix had pre-made salads, buy one, get one, so I bought a Greek salad. And then this one is the antipasto salad. They also have pre-cut cheese. I bought the Gouda. It's super convenient. It's all pre-sliced for you in perfect slices. I'm not the best cheese cutter, so this is a great, and they did have this on sale, so I decided on the Gouda. We also happen to love this port wine cheese. This was also on sale, so I have this as well. Ritz crackers were also on sale. I bought the buy one, get one, so I have a hint of salt, and I have the roasted vegetable. I do have one thing that's not from Publix. This is left over from Aldi, the cracker assortment from the last charcuterie that I did. So let me show you the final result. Final result, let me go through and show you what I put on here. So these are red grapes. There are the 3 meats in there. That's the salami. Prosciutto is really hard to cut up, so I kind of just rolled it up. And that is the capicola. This is the Greek salad, the Borzen with the cranberry. That is the feta salad. This is the hard Gouda cheese. This is the other Borzen with the chive and basil. I have pretzel sticks to dip into any one of the soft cheeses that you would like if you don't want to do a cracker. And also, this is the port wine cheese. Then I have, my husband needs the giant cutting board for the turkey, so that's why I'm using the smaller one. So I decided to pull these out that I never get to use. So I've got one with all of the roasted vegetable Ritz crackers, and then this other one has a combination of all the crackers. Let's bring it to my boys and see what they think. Okay, here is the final result. And now they are ready to eat. All right, well, there you have it, a DIY charcuterie. Well, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure, which will be some travel. I'm so excited. See you next time.